Okay, Nako, nakakaubo. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga ka-inklinasyon. Ito po si DJ Ronnie, live and alive dito po sa Adelaide, Australia. Sasabantalayin ko na, mukhang malapit nang matapos yung Adelaide, Australia. But binabati ko po yung kapwa ko mga nagsipagtapos sa Diploma on Disability Practice and Leadership. We just had our exercise last December 4, and ang inyo pong abang lingkod ay isang certified disability professional na. Iilan lang pa yata kami sa Pilipinas na may formal studies on disability practice and leadership. This is a degree recognized in Australia, US, Japan, Taiwan. Medyo nagyayabang ko ng konti, pabayaan nyo na muna. Hindi, joke lang. Ano po kasi nakakatuwa lang because siyempre, marami nangyari at ang bilis ng 18 buwan po sa mga sandaling ito. But ito po ang inklinasyon, ang inyong linggo-linggong kakwentuhan, at hindi po naiibang linggong ito sapagkat tulad ng dati, kasama ko pa rin po, kasama ko uli ang isa sa pinakamahusay na dentista sa buong Pilipinas, ang ating council member, ang ating laging nakangiti at magandang Doktora Gina Manalaysay. Merry Christmas, Manong Doc Gina. Mano po, good afternoon.
Magandang hapon, DJ, and ang ating mga ka-inklinasyon.
Yun. At para hindi tayo kapusin ng oras, nako, ibigay na natin sa ating mga kababayan ang pinaghandaan po at pinaghirapan ng ating Doc Gina. Pwede na pa tayo, JM. Ito na po ang ating Inklo Balita.
Magandang hapon, mga ka-inklinasyon. Isinagawa ng National Council on Disability Affairs or NCDA ang conferment ceremony ng NCDA Extraordinary Filipinos with Disability for 2024. Ito ay idinaos kahapon, December 10, sa Luxon Hotel, Quezon City. Pinangunahan ni NCDA Director Glenda Relova ang pagkilala sa 6 na natatanging mga individual na ang mga nakasisiglang tagumpay at hindi natitinag na determinasyon ay nagpapakita ng pambihirang kahusayan. Ang mga ginawaran ng parangal sa iba't ibang kategorya sa Women with Disability ay si Ms. Carmen R. Subiaga, Athlete with Disability Ernie A. Gawilan, Youth with Disability Maria Bless S. Adriano, Person with Disability Leader John Darnell C. Castro, Employee with Disability sa Private Sector, Mr. Christian O. Apolinario, at of course, ang buong inklinasyon ay super proud kay Miss Jennifer Garcia, being one of the core members of inklinasyon at co-convener ng PCU-NCRPD, ay nakuha ang Employee with Disability sa Government Sector. Sa talumpati ni Edie Relova, kabilang sa mga pinasalamatan niya ang NCDA Governing Board, Department of Education ASEC Georgina Aniang, DPWH Engineer Emma Banataw, DFA May Opresio, DOH Cristina Raimundo, PSC Commissioner Walter Francis Torres, at PhilSpora Mr. Mike Barredo. Nagbigay rin ng kanyang mensahe si DSWD Undersecretary Emeline Aglipay Villar para sa mga nagwaging, mga natatanging taong may kapansanan. Ito po si Dr. Gina Laksamana Manalaysay, nag-uulat para sa Inklo Balita. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon din, at sana po doon sa mga awardee. Doon sa mga awardee, congratulations, at wala sana sa inyong kumakain ng daga. Kasi kayo yung mga ex. Hindi lang, joke lang. Natutuwa lang ako at si Miss Jennifer Garcia, for example, at saka si Bless Salvador. Kilala ko yung mga yun mga mahuhusay na mga Pilipinang may kapansanan. Pero hindi ako sumasang-ayon that they are extraordinary. They are outstanding Filipina with disability, but they are not extraordinary. They are human beings. trying to do their best or did their best, ha? Huwag niyo masyadong ipatronize. Kayo talaga mga taga-gobyerno. Tayo talaga mga taga-gobyerno, hindi na tayo tumino. Anyway, tuloy po tayo sa ating pagtatanghal ngayong araw na ito. Ituloy-tuloy natin yung mga karangalan. Napakasaya ha. Masarap na merong ganyang mga pagbibigay ng rekognasyon. At siyempre, natatangi ang rekognasyon pagka talagang ito ay alam mong pinag-aralan, sinuri, at hindi dahil sa kakilala mo lang si ganon, o dahil sa meron ka lang koneksyon, o dahil sa kung ano-ano pa. 'Di ba? Kita nyo nung araw, 'di ba, yung sa showbiz, alam mo to, showbiz tayo, Doc Gina eh.
Yeah.
Nung araw, 'di ba? Anong sabi? Naku, yung mga award naman sa showbiz sa Pilipinas 10-5, ano? Pero dito po sa ating persons with disabilities, 50 taon na nagtuloy-tuloy ng kredibilidad. Ang mga binigyang parangal ay talagang tunay na sumagisag sa isang tunay na Apolinario Mabini example. Kaya ngayong hapon, ipapakilala ni Doc Gina ang mga nasa likod ng kaisa-isa at natatanging, kumbaga ito yung equivalent ng Nobel Prize sa Asia. Sa Pilipinas, ito yon, yung Apolinario Mabini Award. Doc Gina, would you like to do the honors of introducing our guest this afternoon, please?
Of course, DJ. Ang una po nating guest sa ngayong hapon ay si Architect Jaime Silva. Siya po ay ang Chairman Screening Committee for the Mabini Award. Siya po ay isang outstanding professional of the year in the field of architecture noong 2011 under PRC. And then siya po ay presidential awardee din po ng Apolinario Mabini Awards noong 2002, Philippine Foundation for the Rehabilitation of the Disabled, PFRD. Conferred APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Architect noong 2015. Advisor Committee on Accessibility, Commission on Governmental and External Affairs, United Architects of the Philippines or UAP. Chairman Committee on Accessibility, Commission on Government and External Affairs, United, the same po na organization. Nito pong July to June 2023. Po ay Chairman Nomination Committee, Apolinario Mabini po, existing now. And then awardee din po siya ng UAP, National Convention 42 for Advocacy in Accessibility year 2016. Yes po, magandang hapon po, Architect Jaime Silva.
Oo, at pero
Hi, Archie.
Hello, Doc. Hello na Architect Silva, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat, pati sa mga nanonood.
At nagtatampo ko kay Doc Gina, hindi sinabing ang kumpare ni DJ Ronnie.
Teka, tutuloy po natin ang ating second guest, DJ.
Bago yung second guest, pagka may oras tayo, ikikwento ko sa iyo yung aming moments ni Ninong Jimmy ko sa La Union. Sige, second guest mo, Doc Gina.
Yes, I'm still clear, right? Si Ma'am Yolanda Yoli F. Bacani, Trustee and Secretary po ng Philippine Foundation for the Rehabilitation of the Disabled, PFRD. Siya po ay may Bachelor of Arts degree in Psychology from St. Teresa's College, Manila. Has a Master of Arts degree in Counseling Psychology from the University of Hawaii. Sosyalin po ang ating guest. USA. Work with the Peace Corps Training Center in Hilo, Hawaii as a Psychological Assessment Associate. Former faculty member of the Psychology Department of the Ateneo de Manila University. Former psychology professor and dean of student affairs of Assumption College, Makati City. Magandang hapon po, Ma'am Yolanda F. Bacani.
Welcome po, Ma'am Yoli.
Hi, Ma'am. Welcome.
Yes. Good afternoon sa lahat ng nakikinig sa itong program, Inclusion.
Inclination po, inclination. Ma'am Yoli. Opo. Ang ibig mo sabihin, Ma'am Yoli, is inclusive nation.
Yes.
And since you are here, Miss Yoli, you are already part of an inclusive nation.
Of course.
Of course. And with the permission of Doc Gina, bago ko po tanungin kung okay lang sa iyo, Doc, tanungin ko muna ang ating Ma'am Yoli dahil sa syempre ladies first, di ba? So dapat ang magtatanong sa ladies ay di yung gentleman. Di ba? But before that, Ma'am Yoli, with your permission, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge ang ating sign language interpreter si Aisel at ang buong team ng Inclunasyon for this wonderful episode again of the program, and of course si Nympha on the side for my coffee, na magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And Ma'am Yoli, pakibigyan po, 50 taon na po yung PFRD or yung Mabini
Oh,
Awards.
more than that. More than
And yes, and I understand.
So let me give you just a short history of the Philippine Foundation for the Rehabilitation of Disabled, or PFRD in short, which is really the one that's our major project that
Mm-mm.
Mabini Awards, and that will be taken up by architect Jimmy. So short history. Actually, 75
years. Kasing edad ni Ninong Jimmy.
You know why?
Tama,
You know,
Yes.
it really
Mm.
started in 1949 when a lot of Filipinos already started to become aware of disability in persons. And you know why? Remember, 1949, we just had the war just finished then, di ba? So
Yeah,
marami
right.
maraming mga disabled, especially the soldiers, and many civilians who got who got in the
Sa
crossfires of the
crossfire, yes.
Japanese and the Americans, and then the bombing. So maraming became
Nagkaroon ng kapansanan po.
yes, that na marami
Mm.
palang mga taong kapansanan. So it's
Yes
really
po.
started in 1949, pero it
Mm.
was officially registered with the SEC in 1950. Kaya kami
Oh.
talagang oldest NGO, non-government organization.
74 years.
74 years going 75.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So it's not just 50 years, but although our latest projects have been recently, but it was really to promote that maximum awareness sa mga taong may kapansanan.
Okay.
Especially at that time, the soldiers and the civilians who got hurt in the war. At saka to also recognize and honor outstanding individuals, agencies, and government organizations who really give outstanding contributions to help yung mga people with disability.
Okay. At this point, Ma'am Yoli, allow me to acknowledge, and alam ko nandyan lang siya sa paligid, si Kuya Noli, one of the astounding leaders of our sector, at saka ang ganda ng boses ni Kuya Noli, at saka ang galing ng kanyang choice of words.
Yes. Atinian yata yan, Arch.
Oy, sorry lang, lasal ako eh.
You're with my husband, you're okay.
Yeah, right po, Ma'am Yoli, tama po. Ma'am, before the PFRD, paano po kayo na-involved naman sa PFRD?
Okay. It was, ang one of the, when my husband became Secretary of Agriculture during President Cory's time, and I think that's how I also got then involved in the consciousness of certain organizations, no? And the president at that time was Mrs. Lovely Romulo.
Ni Carlo. Yes,
Siya pa noon ang presidente.
Bert Romulo.
So siya ang kumuha sa akin to become part of PFRD. So
Alright.
So actually, ang first namin that I became involved with the Apolinario Mabini Awards was really during President Cory's time. And then
Very short point on that,
Romulo,
Madam. Yes. Very short on that, Miss Yoli.
Tama.
Yes. Very short on that, Miss Yoli. 1986, today is 2024. Ano po ang mga nagbago sa inyo sa pananaw sa taong may kapansanan?
Okay. Isa nga nito yung itong major project namin na itong Apolinario Mabini Awards, kasi talaga it is all over the Philippines. We get all nomination from all over the Philippines, from individuals, from LGUs, from organizations, from business establishments, para to recognize nga outstanding agencies or offices that really contribute in helping PWDs and making them aware.
Sige.
And the number two, the biggest really, is to honor and to recognize outstanding PWDs who have really made themselves through their greatness of spirit, through their self-reliance, and to become productive members of society. So yun for us was really the biggest, that we can recognize that PWDs can become very productive members of society, and they are inclusive, no? I mean, they become part of the whole nation.
Okay. However, Miss Yoli, I'm sorry, but I am not contented. You have not answered my question. But I will give you time to organize your thoughts. I'll go back to you later. My question, Madam Yoli, my Mami Yoli, is nung simula po nung 1986 hanggang ngayong 2024, in your personal view, may nabago po ba sa pananaw ninyo sa Pilipinong may kapansanan? And please answer that later on while Kuya Jimmy will give us the background of the Mabini at nasaan na po yung Mabini Awards being our main topic of discussion. And Doc Gina will help me ask questions. Doc Gina, go ahead please, ma'am. Wala pa si Doc Gina? O nawala yata. Sige nga, Kuya Jimmy, would you like to walk us through please yung mga slides mo? Please go ahead, sir.
With that.
Ninong.
So may audio naman ako, no? So,
Go ahead po. Clear.
Can we have the first slide? Sino ba si JM?
JM, please. Right. Go ahead. Ayan na po.
Slide 1, ha? Okay. A little history of PFRD, ha? Apollonario Mabini Awards, ano? Kagaya na sabi kanina, 74 years na to. Apollonario Mabini Awards, ano?
Yes.
So, it was ginawa to noong 1974 because of a silver anniversary namin noon, eh. So, so ito yung one of the major biennial projects namin. Itong Apollonario Mabini Award. Ano bang objectives namin dito?
Sige po.
To recognize individuals, groups, and agencies that makes outstanding contributions to persons with disabilities. Okay. The other one is to promote wider recognition of persons with disabilities to be self-respecting, self-reliant, and productive members of the society. So slide 2. Can we move to slide 2?
Yeah, sige po. Slide 2 and then I'll ask some questions. Slide 2 please. Go ahead. JM, slide 2. Go.
Okay. Awarding ceremonies, we always do this sa Malacanang Palace, ano? So as much as possible, we try to do this sa Malacanang. And we always have the president to be the guest, ano? To be the head of that ceremony, to give out the recognition awards, no? Okay. Slide 3 na tayo.
Sige po, slide 3. Slide 3 na daw. JM, okay.
Okay, kagaya sabi kanina ni Mr. Yoli, ano? Ang PFRD is 74 years old, 75 next year.
Okay.
And it is the oldest NGO that works for concerns of persons with disabilities in the country.
Yeah.
Alam mo, PFRD is really dedicated to prevent disability, to protect and rehabilitate persons with disabilities, and also to equalize opportunities for persons with disabilities. So yun ang goal namin.
Okay, question, short clarification, Sir Jimmy. Why do you want to prevent disability?
Ito nga yung early intervention, eh.
Early intervention.
Oo, hindi ba? Early intervention. Yung mga bata, pag mali pa, ihanda mo siya. Kasi those with intellectual disabilities, di ba? So
early intervention. In other words, okay. So but unlike Mita Pardo de Tabera, I clearly remember Mita Pardo de Tabera, the former secretary of the SWD. we had an audience with her. At sabi niya talaga, you know, what we should imitate other countries, no, that they're trying to prevent disabilities kasi kawawa naman yung mga bata, di ba? Anong future nila? Lalo tayo mahirap tayong bansa. Do you share the same view?
Can I,
I mean,
Okay.
can I butt in?
yes po. Yes,
About
Miss
the
Yoli.
early intervention. Okay, another major project of ours is what we call the coping skills training program for parents of
Mm.
children with disabilities. This is one of our best programs now, and we have reached out to so many parents who, to train them how to handle, to cope, and how to communicate effectively with children with disabilities, with their children who have disabilities. And this is, under the auspices, I mean, the one heading this is one of our very active members, Dr. Irma Coronel, together with volunteer psychologists, to help in this. And
Right.
we are also trying to do this now. We've concentrated more or less in NCR, but we will try to do next year to reach out to the Visayas and to Mindanao. But this is one of our most successful in terms of helping parents, how to effectively handle and cope with their children with disabilities.
Okay, so Ma'am Yoli, ang ibig sabihin ho ba, Ma'am Yoli, sa first quarter of next year, we can do one episode
Sure.
together ang topic po ay programs of PFRD on parents intervention.
Okay, and let me tell you, because recently,
Yes.
in the last meeting we had, Dr. Coronel presented to us what she calls LINGAP, LINGAP. It is a PFRD toolkit for parents of learners with special needs, and it is a beautiful program. I want you, you should invite Dr. Coronel to talk to you about this, about the LINGAP program and the coping skills for parents.
Now I understand you, Ma'am Yoli, Sir Jimmy. I understand you that what you mean is touch basing with the parents. That's correct. That is correct because kaya ako Sir Jimmy, Ma'am Yoli, hindi ako pumapayag dun sa mga ibang advocates na dapat daw hindi nakikialam ang pamilya. I don't think that's correct. I don't think that's correct.
No.
Because tayong mga Pilipino, pamilya tayo eh. Hindi tayo gaya ng Europe, ng US, ng Canada, ng Australia na ayaw natin pakialaman. Tayo hindi eh. We get the first source of strength natin sa ating magulang.
Family,
sa ating
exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Thank
And
you, Ma'am Yoli. Yes po, please go ahead.
Wait, and another one that, because I should have mentioned this to you earlier. The other big project we have is also a mobile training program for teachers, administrators with special education. Because to help public school teachers identify and also, maximize, how to really be sensitive towards children with disabilities. Lately, through President Bong Garcia's initiative, kasi hindi ko may inclusive education na tayo ngayon na measure.
Opo.
Okay,
Opo.
so nagkaroon na kami, PFRD, three teacher training on inclusive education. The first one was in Angeles City 2 months ago, last month in Antipolo, and just recently, last November, the end of November, in Quezon City. So,
Ay, Ma'am Yoli, let me just inform you, ha? I am one of your resource persons pagka ginagawa yan dito ni
ayun pala eh. But I want to recognize our President Bong Garcia.
Oo naman.
Because
Oo
they were the
naman.
ones who really also lobbied a lot on this measure in the House of
Okay.
Representatives. Yeah. Oh, but I'm glad
Now
to
I now I agree with you now when you talk about early intervention. We are in one page now already, Ma'am Yoli. Kuya, may I call Sir Jimmy to continue po yung kanyang narration, Ma'am Yoli, if it's okay with you?
Sure.
All right, go ahead, Kuya Jimmy, please.
Slide 4 na tayo.
Slide 4, yes.
Yes.
Oo.
Members of Again? Slide
Ala-
4. Okay ba
Slide
tayo,
4,
Jay?
slide 4. Sige, go ahead, slide 4.
Members of the committee, ito yung mga members Awards Committee Chairperson will be the spouse of the Senate President or the spouse of the Speaker of the House.
Hindi pwedeng both?
No.
Hindi end?
Hindi, isa
Ganyan?
lang dapat yung spouse lang
Ganon?
mag-chair ng ng
Ah,
committee, ng
okay,
awards
okay.
committee. So she
Mm.
will get either 4 or 5 from her group,
Yeah,
including
yeah. Yeah.
different spouses siya ng mga kung sa Senate or sa Congress. Okay. So there will also be 2 members from PFRD board. So kung yung chairperson plus yung 4 or 5 of her team and then 2 from PFRD. Ito ngayon, this will comprise the awards committee, Siya yung main jury namin, awards committee namin yan. Now, meron kaming screening committee that will help yung main, awards committee, Ito ngayon, yung screening committee, yung chairperson nito will be coming from PFRD. So there will be members from different disability sector also dito sa screening committee. So we have somebody from the blind and visually impaired, somebody from the deaf and hard of hearing, intellectual and developmental disability,
Okay.
ambulatory disability, psychosocial disability, and government sector. The NCDA ang kinukuha namin kasi siya mini-network sa different
Tama.
kaya kailangan namin sila.
Mm-mm.
Now,
Okay.
so, can we move to slide 5? Slide
Doc
5,
Gina, please take over. Slide 5 si Sir Jimmy. Doc Gina,
Okay,
please.
sure.
Okay na? Okay. So, categories. Ano ba different categories itong Apollinario Mabini Award? Now we have 9. So, ano una? Apollinario Mabini Life Achievement Award. Filipino with Disability Award. Organization of Persons with Disabilities Award. Manuel V. Agkawili, which is the Employer Award.
Okay.
Yes.
Ito, Local Government Award. Ito, Empowerment of Persons with Disability Award.
Okay.
Media Advocate Award. Website Accessibility Award. And Disability Friendly Establishment Award. So yun,
Okay.
mamaya tatanong mo sa akin yung
Hindi.
friendly.
Mamaya, bago ko
Inaantay ko nga yung question mo
Hindi. Mamaya ako tatanungin. Pero Mami Oli,
sige.
Mami Oli, if I may, Doc
Legal.
Gina. Mami Oli,
Yes.
pwede ho bang maglambing? Dagdagan naman natin ng dalawa.
Ang
Yung criteria, yung isa, yung para sa mga carers. Kasi ang laki-laki po ng tungkulin ng carers sa buhay ng taong may kapansanan. At kadalasan po ang mga carers walang pumapansin, parang hindi nabibigyang importansya yung carers. So baka naman po sa mga susunod na panahon maidagdag po yung carers. Tapos, ang isa pa ho siguro ay yung pong mga social workers naman. Kasi alam po ninyo sa Pilipinas, kahit na ang kailangan ng may kapansanan ay empleyo, kahit edukasyon, itinatapo ni mayor, ni gobernador sa PSWD, CSWD. Hindi naman natin nabibigyan ng recognition. So yun po ang lambing ko, Ma'am Yoli. Kung sa mga susunod pong panahon, baka pwedeng maidagdag.
Noted. Yes, noted. No, and I agree with you that they are the ones that are not even mentioned yet. They do all the hard work. Yeah, you're right.
Thank you, Miss Yoli. Yes, Doc
Yeah,
Gina, go
DJ.
ahead, ma'am. Yes.
Gina.
Yeah. Nawawala ako Pasensya na. No, I just wanted to inform everyone na under group category ang Las Piñas persons with disability po ay nanalo din. And then ang ating inclination mismo ay 'di ba? Last ano po 'yan, 'di ba? Award
2023.
ceremony.
Awardee
Yeah.
kayo. Awardee kayo. Media,
Correct.
sa media advocate ba?
Mga
Yes
winners
po,
pala,
sa media
mga
advocate.
awardees pala nandito, di ba?
Yes, of course.
And I would like to say, Ma'am Yoli, Sir Jimmy, that Mabini was the first who recognized the tireless efforts of Mitzi Chan, of Jennifer Garcia, yung mga aming mga behind the scenes, Ina Figueroa, si Aisel, lahat yung mga behind the scenes. Kami naman dito mga taga-daldal lang, but these people behind the scenes, sila ho yung nahihirapan na kwan. But may I, Ma'am Yoli,
Naniniwala ako dyan.
conceptualize.
Naniniwala ako dyan. Ha? Sa mga,
Ma'am
walang
Yoli,
grandstanding, di ba?
right. Ma'am Yoli, may I ask you to elaborate on the media advocate? Bakit po? How do you select the media advocate? Okay, Jimmy, or whoever.
Okay,
Doon muna tayo, tapusin muna natin itong... Kasi papasok tayo sa media advocate eh.
Siya, sige. Kasi mamaya, hindi na ako makapagtanong. Sige, game.
Jimmy na si Jimmy.
Tulat mo lang.
Sige pa. Sige po, Kuya Jimmy.
Go ahead, Jimmy.
Wait ha. I don't know where I... Wait. Ito pa, wait ha.
Kasi si
Yung number
Doc Gina ang
90
gulo eh.
Yung Disability Friendly Establishment Award. Ano? Ayun pang NIDE. Alam mo, meron din kami re-studying no? But it might not be for this awards, ano? Inclusive schools. Ayun ang isa namin tinitingnan din. Because one of the problems really is for persons with disability, makapasok sila. Kung hindi accessible, paano? Di ba? So, yun ang bibigyan namin ng recognition in the next coming awards. Ano? But not now. So, slide 6. Ito, umpisa ko na yung Apollinario Mabini Life Achievement Award. Ano natin in-expect dito? Kailangan meron silang notable accomplishments. Diba? They should promote human rights, dignity of persons with disabilities, and inclusion in the community. Diba? Dapat, ano? So, yung mga awardee dito, yung mga nominated dito, pwedeng with or without disability. Ito yung life achievement. Miski wala silang may kapasanan, but they work for persons with for the enrichment of persons with disabilities. Pwede sila pa-nominate. Ano?
Okay.
So, can we move to slide 7?
Slide 7.
Oh, ito. Filipino with Disability Award. Ano? Yeah. Anong makita natin dito? It's given to a person with disability who excels in her or his chosen field. Kung yung course yung gusto niyang gawin, yung pinilit niyang yung kanyang career mismo, wait he or she should serve as a role model to persons with disabilities. Di ba? So, slide 8.
Nakakatakot yung role model. Slide 8.
So, slide 8 naman.
Architect DJ.
Yes. O, say DJ.
Before
Doc
continuing
Gina.
po, meron lang po akong question about the Filipino disability. This is more of a professional achievement?
Hindi. Ganito. Kasi pag Life Achievement Award ka, you are doing something for the sector nationwide. At least
Okay,
all
for the
regions.
Filipino,
Pero
Filipino
pagdating
with
sa
disability.
Filipino with disability, doon sa region mo, doon ka nakafocus. Kasi yung lifetime, parang nationwide ang scope mo. Pero yung Filipino with disability, nakatutok ka doon sa iyong region, sa iyong lokal. Yun.
So your community services as well, not just being a professional.
No, not that. Ang gusto natin, ano ba nakukontribute mo sa sector? Hindi yung sarili. Di ba? Hindi yun.
Yeah.
Tinitingnan natin, ano nakukontribute mo? Diba? So that is how we gauge yung kanilang rating.
Okay po, thank you. Continue the slides.
Organization of
Organization, slide 8.
persons.
Organization of persons with disabilities award. So, given to a person with disability group with noteworthy achievements, cultural, whether educational, spiritual, athletic, or economic activities.
Past
So,
5.
tingnan natin to in the past 5 years. Anong nagawa nila? Yeah? So,
Sige.
an organization can either be formal or informal with 5 or more members. Hindi kailangan malaking organization. Even
Okay.
informal or formal.
So yung impact.
Oh,
Yeah.
yung impact.
Yeah.
Natin. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, slide 9. Slide
Mm.
9. Ito, Manuel V. Agkawili,
Yan.
Employer Award. Kasi alam natin ang mga ginagawa ni Noli, and
Ah,
we
yes.
should recognize him. Ano?
Amen ako dyan. Amen ako.
Oh,
Mm.
Yes.
ito ha. Given to an employer of any national,
Nationality.
wait
Nationality daw, sabi ni Ma'am Yoli.
nationality
Mm.
in business or industry,
Mm.
government or private, with outstanding records of hiring, employing, or promoting persons with disabilities.
Mm.
Yan ang gano. Okay, ano pa? So, kagaya nito can be national or multinational chain,
Mm.
individual or part of the chain, and the last one, individual business or part of the chain also.
And architect, is this a new addition?
O hindi,
No.
matagal na yan.
Hindi, matagal na to.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Alam mo kasi anong nangyari, dati hindi namin kinakategorize. Kasi ano man laban ng maliit na employer na with a big company, di ba? So
Tama,
kaya
oo.
level up namin to. Ito muna, hindi naman pwede. Kailangan pantay-pantay ang laban. So meron siyang small industry, meron siyang medium industry, at saka meron siyang large business industry.
So halimbawa Sir Jimmy, yung aking members ng chamber, pwedeng manominate diyan, yung Vibes, yung Call, di ba? Ito yung mga massage clinic na may
dapat
100, 200 empleyado, di ba? No?
Ano
Oo,
nakukontribute mo sa sector? Nabottom-line
oo.
natin dito.
Yeah, right,
Hindi
right.
ikaw, hindi yung sarili mo. Di ba?
Tama, tama. Oh, next.
Ha?
Mm.
Okay, wait, saan ba tayo?
Slide 10 na po.
Ito, subcategories to.
Sige po, subcategories. Oh.
Government. Meron ba yung government? Aywan ko. Micro or small industry, no? 99 employees or less. So, 99 employees or less, ha? So, isa pa.
Doon pasok ang chamber.
Medium business with 100 to 200.
200.
Diba?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung number 4, large business with more than 200 or more employees.
Okay.
So yun, nakikita na natin, we can really categorize them, diba? Okay.
With all due respect, Ninong, Kuya Jimmy,
Oo.
for the interest of time, naipakita mo na naman sa amin, naiparamdam mo sa amin kung gaano ang kasidhi at kasinsero ang PFRD, kaya nga nagtagal kayo ng 50 taon at kayo lang
75.
hindi po 50 taon sa Mabini Awards.
Sa mabini.
At 75 years as a foundation because of your credibility established not only in the sector but also in your circles, di ba? May education, employment, because you have withstood the test of time, sabi nga. Now, may I go to specifics for the interest of time, no? Ma'am Yoli, ano po ang pamantayan ng media advocates, and sa mga nabigyan po ninyo ng award, did they still continue to carry issues of disabilities po?
Alam mo si Jimmy na makakasagot niyan.
Siya, sige. Kuya Jimmy daw po. Go ahead po. Kuya Jimmy.
Yung media.
Wait. I'm looking for the media.
Okay. And habang hinahanap mo, Sir Jimmy, you know why? Because media is a very good force na pag naging alay natin sa sektor, ay makakapagtulak ng ating mga adhikain na sumulong ng mas malaki, di ba? The media persons. That's why I've asked that question na pagkatapos ba babigyan ng Mabini Awards ang isang media entity, nag-improve ba yung pag-cover, mas naging masidhi, mas naging agresibo ba sila? Go ahead, ma'am. Sir, go ahead.
Kasi parang tatalo na tayo, ano?
Mm,
Alam mo,
mm, mm.
ang media kasi ganito, ano? Una, ang binibigay lang namin recognition, media lang, whether kung anong media nagagawa ka. Kasi
Mm,
parang walang
mm.
dumadating, di ba? So, ang ginawa namin, kasi paminsan, kagaya na nangyari nga kanina dun sa businesses, ano, may malaking organization, may maliit. Ganun din ang media naman. Ibang klase.
Mm, mm,
Ang
mm, mm,
media
mm.
kasi, pwede personality, yung
Yeah,
person,
yeah,
pwede
right,
yung
right. Oo.
company, di ba? O yung
Pwedeng
or,
broadcasting din.
or yung ano, yung program. So,
Mm.
doon namin kinategorize yan. Kasi,
Kasi, oo.
klaro eh, di ba?
Tama,
Ano ba
tama.
ginagawa mo? So, of course,
Oo.
it will deal with broadcasting, with print, ano, with
Tama,
social
tama.
media.
Social
Pero,
media.
oo,
Mm,
pero ang
mm.
ano natin, hiwalay-hiwalay natin. Yung person, yung kanyang organization or company, at saka yung kanyang program.
Oh, kasi
Now,
Kuya
ang
Jimmy,
magiging
merong ano
problem
eh.
natin, sige, ano?
Merong reality, one of the hard realities, may mga magulang ng anak ng mga may kapansanan na nasa showbiz, nasa business, pero ayaw nilang ipagamit ang kanilang pangalan para i-push yung advokasya ng persons with disabilities. No? They're doing it for their children. But yung sabihin mo na they're gonna use, they'll be all out, for example, to advance the cause of the sector, mukhang medyo mahirap pa sa kanila
Oh,
ngayon, ano?
oh, oh.
Oh, say go ahead with your,
Okay. Kasi ang mangyayari kasi, we really have to look into paano natin sila ma-entice ano, to
mm, mm,
to be nominated, ano. Kasi
mm,
actually not to be nominated, how will we know what they're doing, 'di ba?
right, right.
Sometimes pag nakita natin magaganda yung ginagawa nila, that's the time we nominate them, eh, 'di ba? But hindi yung
Mm.
party, but people around them. So,
Oo,
you
oo,
want me to
oo.
continue or ano, or discussion na lang tayo?
Discussion muna,
Okay,
dahil
discussion.
sa we are
Oh,
running out
okay,
of
sige.
time.
Ano mo kasi, kagaya
Mm,
na nangyari sa buildings, ano? Noon
mm,
dati, nung nag-audit kami, inumpisa namin ito ni Nolly
Alert.
2004,
Ignacio Dash.
2004, and 2005, ano?
okay.
So, nagbibigay kami award. Alam mo nangyari sa building? Building,
Mm,
11 lang, 11 lang ang nag-nominate, 11 lang. Tapos, binabigyan namin ng award, 5. Madami doon, mall. Kasi may
mm.
pera, di ba?
Tama,
Meron mga
tama, tama,
mga eskwelahan, pero
tama.
hindi accessible. Kaya hindi mo mabibigyan ng recognition. Pero yung mall,
Mm,
at that time, come on lang ha.
mm,
Hindi ka pwede maging strict o 5 basic lang. So,
mm,
3 nanalo sa isang developer, 2 dun sa isa.
mm.
Sabi namin,
Which lead me to ask,
oh,
Mami
okay,
Yoli, Sir Jimmy,
oo.
bakit nyo ginagamit ang friendly?
Okay,
Wala ka
mamaya
naman
na.
sa batas. Ha?
Hindi,
Sige,
okay,
sige, sir.
mamaya na.
Apurado talaga ako. Pambihira
Hindi na
talaga.
natin
Sige,
sagutin
sige.
yan.
Sige,
Kasi
sige,
kailangan
okay.
makita mo yung how it built up eh.
Okay, okay.
Sino
Sige,
ba sa
sige.
property manager ang gusto sumali at makita yung kanyang mali, di ba? So nung umpisa, kamo kami, medyo hindi kami stricto. Nagkaroon pa ka, meron ka, sinundan mo yung 5 basic minimum requirements ng sinasabi
Mm,
ng DPWH, okay na yun. Sige,
mm.
minunod. So, 2005. Noong 2008, yung isang nanalo doon sa previously, ninonominate naman niya ang building niya ulit. Sabi ko, ano ba nagawa mo? From the
Correct.
time you've been recognized.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Oo.
So, ang ginawa namin, Noli, sabi ko, Noli, walang mangyayari dito kasi akala nila palagi,
Friendly, friendly.
compliance na. Oo. Hindi, compliance sila.
Compliant. Sige.
Lagyan natin to ng level
Gold, silver,
bronze,
bronze.
silver, and
Ah,
bronze, and
right.
platinum. Oo. So,
Right.
meron kang award,
Mm-mm.
ngayon, siyempre sabi ko, nasa bronze lang ako. Yung kasama ko nasa silver. Tatakbo ako. Gagawin ko, ayusin ko para maging silver. Di ba?
Okay.
So, anong nangyari? Within that particular group of organization, property manager, sila, ayoko magbigay ng mga pangalan ng company.
Wag na.
Oo.
Diba? Oo.
Sila mismo within the organization, sa mga shopping malls nila, sila ngayon naglabanan. Because one would have a feather. Siyempre, yung katabi ko na mall, gusto ko din may feather kami, di ba? So within that nangyari sa kabilang property manager.
Okay.
Kasi ganun din. So, within the organizations, nag-ano na sila, they challenge each other. But within the industry of shopping center, sila din. Kasi
Right,
madaming
right.
award yung isa. So, yun ang nakikita namin, nagbabago. Di ba? So, they started to become interested. So, no, from that time kami noon, 11 lang nag-nominate hanggang dumami. Alam
Ilan na
mo,
ngayon, sir? Ilan na?
yung huli namin, 303 nominated buildings. Buildings that they think they are very accessible. Pero 18% lang ang nabigyan ng recognition.
18 buildings out of 300. Anong
Hindi.
percent na?
Hindi.
Ano?
303 buildings ang non-nominate. 18% lang. I think 15 or 18%. Ang nabigyan namin siguro mga 45, ganon. Recognize namin. But different, different types of building type. And this is
Oo.
nationwide. Hindi to Manila, Makati or
Correct. Nationwide to. Nationwide.
to.
Okay.
Oo, nationwide to. At
But sir,
hindi lang shopping center.
right.
Di ba? Merong schools.
Right.
Di ba? Merong
Right,
mga, of
right.
course, department stores, but there are office buildings, commercial buildings, residential condos. Ito na.
Yung
It
architect,
started to move. Yes.
pagka
Sige, Doc
nanalo
Gina.
po ba, DJ? Pag nanalo po ba, they can is still,
Okay.
run
They
again for
can
the next
still nominate
award?
in more as long as they've done something from the time they've been awarded to when they want to
Something
be
different.
nominated. Kailan may
It
nagbago,
has to be
di ba?
completely different. Okay.
Kailan nagbago? Kasi daw, let's say, nakatanggap ka ng bronze, hindi ka akin sa silver kung nga hindi ka wala kang ginagawa, di ba?
O sige, another suggestion, sir.
Okay.
Pwede bang isama natin yung but before that, tama yung ginagawa ninyo in a way
LRT.
because no. Tama yung ginagawa niyo in a way because di man kayo gobyerno eh. Yung magbibigay ng stick, dapat siyang gobyerno. 'Di ba? Yung para gobyerno yan, but you as NGO, you as civic organization, kayo dapat talaga mag-motivate na mag-comply sila.
Exactly. Alam mo,
Tama
ano,
yun. But
Ayan.
yet, before you matuloy ka,
Oh.
may I just put on record with all the highest respect to the two of you that our laws does not state friendly. But kung yan ang way of, but if that is your way of motivating as because that is your culture already, wala akong objection. Sinasabi ko lang on record that friendly stuff
I
is
understand.
not within the law. Yun lang po.
Understand yan. We understand that.
Mm.
Kasi, pag masyado kang stricto,
Alam ko, yes.
sa team mo meron. Wala alam naman natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Nakikita mo, we're moving, creeping, gradually. Di ba?
And we salute you for that. We salute you for that.
Alam mo, kagaya nga sinabi ko sa kasi meron sa DOTR ngayon yung tinatawag na Codicide, which we have been attending. And DOTR has been helping us with the method of the law. No? Pero kasi they want to do their terminals maging accessible. And sabi nga ng isa sa kanila, alam mo, ang dali gawin ko na sa planning stage kasi papasok mo sa mga bagong batas.
Yes.
Recently na-nominate, recently nag-operate, hindi ba? Siguro may papaltang ka pa kasi may mga mali. Pero what do we do with old buildings, yung mga operational for many years na terminal? Sabi niya, ang nito, alam mo una sa English ko, alam mo, pwede mo gawin muna, siguro 100, pagtan mo, lagyan mo ayusin mo yung signage. Pero naisip ko, muna, parang mali yun, Parang hindi dapat. Kasi naalala ko, I read the book ni Stephen Covey. Sabi niya, first things first.
Right.
Ang ano niya is, itong bundle of rocks, ilalagay ko sa isang jar. Lahat ng rocks, dapat magkasya. Walang hindi pwedeng pumasok. So, anong process nito? Lagay mo muna yung malalaki, tapos yung size, tapos yung maliliit, at malalagay mo lahat sila.
Okay, very good.
Ito sinasabi ko sa DOTR. Alam nyo, kasi ang importante is, we do not do things that are easy. We do things because they're hard. Kaya kailangan
Right.
dun tayo tumutok. Mabigat,
Correct.
mahirap
Correct.
gawin. Ayun muna ang gawin natin. Yes.
Aha. Okay. Sige,
Yun.
since
Yes, yes.
since we're running out of
Time,
time,
time.
I'd
Time,
like
yes,
to
we
ask
have.
I'd like to ask Ma'am Yoli. Ma'am Yoli, medyo bonggacious, dapat 75 years, 50 years yung Mabini. What's in store for the next Mabini Awards?
No, definitely I'm going to take up your suggestion about
Ah.
giving additional awards to the
Ay,
caregivers
I
and to
love you
the
na talaga, Ma'am
social
Yoli.
worker.
Mm.
And to the social
Mm.
worker. But I just want to also to let you know, you were just saying about some parents who
Oo.
but they do not want to kind of be part of the advocacy, no, for the because kinahihiyayan siguro nila. Precisely is what our coping skills for training for parents with this,
Oo.
that they should not be ashamed of their child who has a disability.
Yes
Mm.
po.
Oh, na bakit nila tinatago yung ganon. So
Mm.
this is really little by little. I think
Tama.
we are educating them in that sense na they are also human beings that can be capable of doing doing good, no.
And
So
speaking of which, Ma'am Yoli, speaking of which, can you give me one memorable story so far in your joining this group na tumatak sa puso mo? Ano yung kwentong yun na pwede mong ma-share sa amin?
alam mo yung
Mm.
our networking with other disability groups, because I
Mm.
got to know precisely what is Down syndrome, what is
Mm.
autism, what
Mm.
the needs of the deaf and of the blind and of those who are who have ambulatory problems or with
Oo.
and that, kasi nagdi-network na kami ngayon.
Oo,
Hindi
oo,
na yung
oo.
hindi dapat talaga yung isa-isa ganon, hindi. We should really
Correct.
work together eh. So
Mm.
that's why in our screening committee nga, mayroon talaga kaming representative from each sector of the disabled group para talagang inclusive, no? Ganon.
Yes po, yes
So,
po.
yun ang nagustuhan ko. And the other one is that now we are trying to be more vocal in terms of really lobbying for legislative measures, no?
Mm.
So tayo
Mm.
well, of course, the late Art Borjal, no?
Oh
Yun
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
He
Oo.
was a congressman and he was a
Yeah.
member. So he was a very active member of the PFRD, and
Mm.
he was the one who authored. Remember yung Magna Carta
Mm.
Yes
for
po.
the disabled?
Eto,
Ginagamit ba natin yun?
ang alin po?
Are we implementing it? Yung Magna Carta for the disabled.
Tanong natin sa NCDA yan. Magandang question yan, ma'am. Ako
Hindi,
itatanong ko yan sa
DJ.
NCDA.
In fairness, ginagamit naman siya pero not 100%, Mami Yoli. So, i-shout out lang na po natin yung ating viewers, si Miss Janice Belandro at si Miss Garcia who won din nga po ng Women with a Disability.
Oo.
Yes po.
Meron akong tanong kay Sir Jimmy bago ko siya hayaang mag-invite saan mag-nominate. Kung
For
gano'n,
the
no?
last message.
Oo.
Nomination.
Hindi. Before the last message, Kuya Jimmy, sa pagiging involved mo rito, how do you now measure yung organizational development ng sektor? Kasi ang sabi ni dating Yusek Flor Villar ng DSWD na nasa Northfield ngayon, hindi raw alam ng sektor kung saan siya pupunta. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, di ba social workers tayo? Yun ang trabaho natin dapat, no? But ikaw, sir, nasa sektor ka o dati kang wala sa sektor, anong tingin mo? Paurong ba o pasulong ang sektor ng may kapansanan sa Pilipinas?
Ako nakikita ko because there are a lot of organizations na gumagalaw, no? So ano pa talaga ang need nila? Siguro right now because of inclusive education, talagang may mga tumututok. Although ang tagal ng DepEd, lumabas yung implementing rules and regulations.
Yes.
Pero nandoon yun.
Pero nandyan na, meron na IRR,
Pwede
sir,
na
meron
natin
na.
talagang tutukan anong nangyayari doon. Diba? Ano pang kulang? Data. Di ba? Pinag-uusapan yung dami gumagamit ng ID ng PWD. Pero sino ba nag-i-issue? Bakit lang bantayan natin yon? Ngayon, ano pa nakikita ko dito sa buildings? Makikita mo nagbabago eh. Di ba? Dati hindi naman dati isang rampa, matarik, bibigyan ng recognition. Pero ano ba talaga nakikita? Merong batas. At saka ngayon, because of that, kikita natin, dati walang pakilabang DPWH, DOTR, but because of civil society, gumagawa sila na, kikita natin, they participate now. Siyempre, hindi pa rin. But because yung sector maingay, lalo na itong itong social media natin, dapat lang yung itong social media gumalaw talaga kasi at mga sector. Kasi kagaya ng mga senators and congressmen, tatanungin talaga yung agency, anong ginagawa nyo? Saan nyo dinadala
Oo.
yung budget na to, no?
Oo,
Kasi
kaya
kung
mahal na
tayo,
mahal ko si Senator Amy eh.
kung
Gustong-gusto ko
tayo,
si Senator Amy Marcos.
gumalaw yung
Mahal
data,
ko
no?
yan eh. Mahal
Gumalaw
ko
yung
yan.
data, oo.
Anyways,
So,
Sir
yes,
Jimmy, paki-invite mo yung ating mga nanonood, saan sila pwede mag-nominate, hanggang kailan, and
Okay.
paano makaka-participate yung gustong mag-nominate. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay. Alam mo, you can submit kasi lalabas yan doon sa amin na Viber at saka sa amin website, ano. Ano ba itong Apolinario na diyan may form siya. You just have to follow that, ano. Ang submission doon sa opisina ko, doon sa DPC Place Building. Nakasulat naman doon, ano. Submit lang yun doon Monday to Friday. I think it's noted 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. Sabi nila 5 o'clock kasi baka dumating ng 5:30, tagsara na yung opisina ko, sayang kanilang oras. Kaya set na natin sa 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to
Tama.
Friday. May tatanggap dyan. Meron akong inassign para tanggapin. Ang importante lang, sundan lang yung anong nakasulat dun sa form. So you have to really feel that up, ano.
Okay.
Ang gusto ko sana, yung mga makeup. Kasi ang building is there already. They want to be recognized, ano, mga building.
Alright.
But yung ating mga kasama may kapansanan, they have to be helped to fill up that form. Di ba? Tulungan natin to make that submittal kasi dapat lang ma-recognize. Alam mo nyo, kagaya na building, kaya kami tumutok ni Noli dyan. Ang dami kasi buildings na hindi nagko-comply. Pero nakita namin, meron din mga buildings na nagko-comply na. So, doon ang binibigyan namin
Right.
recognition. Ganyan
Oh,
din
okay.
sa kapansanan. Madami dyan, nasa likod lang tumutulong. Gumagawa. Hindi ayun ang gusto natin bigyan ng recognition.
Okay. Uulitin ko, sir, sumasaludong inklinasyon sa inyo, hindi lang dahil kami nakilala nyo, kundi ginagawa ninyo ang trabaho ninyo bilang isang civic organization. And for that alone, you deserve all the commendations from the sector of Filipinos with disabilities and our stakeholders. Now, Ma'am Yoli, yung pong tanong ko sa inyo kanina, ano po ang nabago sa inyo at sa inyong circle sa pagkilala ninyo sa katangian ng may kapansanan? Kasi ang sabi ng NCDA, extraordinary daw, no? Sa amin ho, ableism 'yon, ano? Kumbaga parang it's unnecessary patronizing. Hindi naman kailangan i-patronize mo para, 'di ba? What is so extraordinary about good employee? What's so
Tulong namin
So,
mag-included.
kaya nga eh. Kayo po, ma'am. Kayo po, Miss
Yes, Ma'am
Yoli.
Yoli.
Ano po ang inyong...
Really, I think as what you call, I got sensitized. I got sensitized towards the needs of the disabled. And then, of course, I really want to reach out now because I really thank also that my children and my grandchildren are healthy. So when I see them, like, then the more reason that I should help because God blessed me with healthy children and grandchildren. The more I should reach out then to those who are kind of marginalized in terms of because they are disabled. It's really more that I got sensitized towards the needs.
Correct, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your message to the parents of persons with disability, madam, please.
Well, there's nothing like love.
Okay.
And love encompasses everything. The perfect, the not perfect, the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful. So it's really just to embrace your children, whether they're healthy or they are not, or whether they have a disability or they are physically fine. But it's really just love them and do not be ashamed of them because they are God's gift to you. Really.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ma'am Yoli. Sir Jimmy, my last question to you is your message sa kapwa natin may kapansanan na nahihiya pa rin, na wala pa rin pag-asa, wala nang mangyayari sa akin, yung kapatid ko muna pag-aralin nyo, ako okay na ako dito sa bahay. What's your message to them? Ikaw, nakabawi ka, hindi ka dating bulag, ngayon bulag ka na, but you are thriving, sir. What's your message to your fellow persons with disability?
Alam mo, kasi ang madaming organizations, kanya-kanyang ginagawa. Naghahanap ng trabaho, pinapalakas yung loob, nagtinuturo sa education. Pero kasi dapat yung facility accessible. Kasi kung hindi accessible ang facility, hindi din sila makakagalaw. So ang message
Thank
ko
you.
sa kanila is that everyone has the right to live the Filipino dream. Ito yung ating pangarap to become independent and productive. Every person and every citizen of this country has the right to be included, to be accommodated, and to be part of our built environment. As Filipinos, karapatan natin to. But and because of the accessibility law, the Magna Carta for Persons with Disability,
The UNCRPD.
Conventions on the Rights of Persons with Disability, ito ay karapatan ng mga Filipinos with disabilities. Salamat po.
Thank you, Ma'am Yoli. Thank you,
Thank you for
Kuya
inviting
Jean.
us. Thank you for having us.
Inclination.
Salamat.
Giving us a chance.
Ay, Ma'am
more
Yoli,
power. More power to your inclination.
Ma'am Yoli, yung
International is inclusive nation.
Ma'am
Yeah.
Yoli, yung commitment mo sa amin, yung stories of parents, gusto ko yan.
Yeah, no. Really, the best person is Dr. Irma Coronel.
No. But of course, I will. You'll be our contact person to that.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Yeah, I love you, Ma'am
And of course,
Yoli.
Bong Garcia.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
And more
Doc
power
Gina.
to you and God's blessings on your.
Huwag ka alis muna, Ma'am Yoli,
nation.
Huwag ka muna alis. Oh, Ma'am, Doc
Yes,
Gina,
thank
go
you
ahead.
po for our public service. JM, please. And our sponsors, announcements.
Alert. Viewing include Nasian. Alert.
Okay? Hindi na tunog?
Alert. Alert.
There you go.
Alert.
Okay.
Kindly wait.
Hone your skills, gain experience, contribute to a meaningful cause. Incarnation is accepting interns and OJTs for our Facebook Live program dedicated to promoting the rights of persons with disability. Apply now and let's make a positive impact together. Send your application to incarnation@gmail.com. It's incarnation@gmail.com. INKLUNASYON@gmail.com and address it to Incarnation Core Group through our technical assistant, Joanna Marie David. May mga disability-related topics or issues pa ba kayo na gustong pag-usapan? Ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Makipag-ugnayan na sa Incarnation. Dahil sa Incarnation, laging may inklusyon. Ipadala ang inyong reaksyon, komento, rekomendasyon, or suhesyon sa aming email address incarnation@gmail.com incarnation@gmail.com INKLUNASYON@gmail.com and address it to our Incarnation Core Group through our Technical Director, Ina Figueroa.
And
We would like to thank our sponsors and partners, CBM Global Disability Inclusion, Philippine Coalition United Nations Conventions on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities or PCUNCRPD, INET Philippines, Norfield Foundation, CISO, Philippine Partnership on Children with Disabilities or PPCWD, Liliane Funds, Deafblind Support Philippines or DBSP, Philippine Chamber of Massage Industries for the Visually Impaired or PCMIVI, Provincial Government of Batangas, PIDAO Pangasinan, Regional Associations of Women with Disability or RAWWD Region 1, Mabini Movement, and of course, the ASEAN Enabling Master Plan 2025 Coalition. Thank you.
Alam po ninyo mga kanasyon, ang sarap ng mga parangal. Ang sarap ng mga pagkilalang ginagawa ng PFRD at ng ibang institusyong tunay na naghahanap ng mga natatanging nagbibigay ng panahon, ng talino, ng talento at ng kanilang resources sa cause ng persons with disabilities. Kaya tayo mga may kapansanan, dapat ang message sa atin ngayon is, huwag nating kakalimutan yung thank you. Kasi marami sa ating mga may kapansanan ang galing lang humingi. Pero hindi tayo marunong magpasalamat. Salamat na lang sa PFRD. Salamat sa ibang mga organisasyon na nagbibigay ng awards kasi hindi sila nadadalang tumulong. So para hindi sila madalang tumulong, tayo mga may kapansanan, kung hindi natin napasalamatan, ipagdasal natin. Thank you is a very, very simple words, pero hindi natin sinasabi na madalas. Bakit hindi natin sinasabi ng madalas? Bakit hirap na hirap tayong mag-thank you sa mga taong tumutulong sa atin? Mabini Awards is a very good example of so many people na kung tinulungan mo ang sarili mo, tutulungan ka ng lipunan. Kaya wag na ho, ang mensahe ng Mabini Awards, tulad ni Apolinario Mabini, tigilan ng pagkaawa sa sarili at makipagtulungan sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong komunidad para tulungan ka rin nila. Ito po si DJ Ronnie sa ngalan ni Doc Gina na nagsasabing don't forget to smile, don't forget to count your blessings, and inclusion, inclinasyon, now na! Maraming salamat po!